Okay, right now I'm recording a video testing out the Zoom feature. So right now what I've got here is, let's see what we can do here. Okay, so now we're going to do a little quick three-way, four-way switching tutorial to connect to a simple light fixture. This light fixture could be one of many. It could be multiple light fixtures, right, all connected on. So if once you get it to one, you can get it to the rest. Now, as you can see, hot, neutral, ground. So we're going to consider black, red, blue being the neutral. So neutral, if you consider it as a cable assembly, essentially we'll start with a simple one. So we'll consider that between these here, there's 3 wires going from point A to point B. Yeah. Let me recolor that. Okay, so we got 3 wires. Essentially, we'll have a black, a red, and a white. And that essentially that'll mean that we got a 3-wire right there. Now, if we want to connect up this light so that it can do some 3-way switching, as we go into these boxes, essentially every device is going to have its own box. So how do we connect it up to the light? Okay, so let's test this out. Okay, so first off, let's take care of our neutral. That's going to be the most simple thing because every neutral doesn't connect to any kind of switches. So we're going to take it in and out of each box, and essentially it's going to splice, and it's going to go right to our neutral. Next, we're going to take our hot, and where are we going to take it? We're going to take it to our common. Okay, so now the way I always wire stuff up, I try and keep it as simple as possible. As you can see at the very beginning, we have a 2-wire coming in. That gives us power, and we also give a return with the white wire. White to white, black to the common. Now coming with the 3-wire coming into the 3-way, essentially that's going to connect to our travelers. So we're going to take black on the 3-wire to one of the travelers and red to the other one. Okay, same on the other side. We're going to take red to the traveler side and black to the traveler side. And then we have another common on this 3-way, and that common is going to go right to the light. And as you can tell, we have a 2-wire coming in, we have a 2-wire going out, 3-wire between. So if you want to hold one inevitable truth between 3 ways, you're going to need a 3-wire to connect them together. And then every 3-wire system, essentially all it has is a switch that connects back and forth between 2 points. So this is called single pole double throw, or SPDT. If you pick this up at any hardware store, they'll call it a 3-way switch, but essentially all that is doing is that when you give power to your common, it's going to go through the leg that's connected to one of the terminals, go to the other leg, and then go out the other common, and then that's going to connect to your light. Okay, so we're getting a lot of lines on here. Let's break this back down a little bit. Okay, what do we got here? We got 3-way, 4-way, 3-way. Ooh, very complicated. Well, depending on your situation, it's going to be pretty straightforward. So once again, we have a neutral is going to come into the first box, splice. We're going to take that to our 4-way, splice. And then we're going to go from the 4-way, we're going to go to the 3-way, splice. And we're going to take that to our light. Okay, next, what are we going to do? We're going to take care of our commons, right? So where does our hot go? Same thing is going to go to our common on our 3-way. And between our 3-way and our 4-way, we're going to have, once again, 3 wires. So we're going to connect traveler to traveler, and then once again, traveler to traveler. And then coming out of our 3-way, we have a common that connects to our light. Huh? Now this might look a little complicated, but look what we have. We have a 3-wire, a 3-wire, a 2-wire, and a 2-wire. All right, so there you go. All you have to do is wire it up in the real world and you'll be done.